What makes Starrett the favorite brand for consumers when it comes to jigsaw blades? Incomparable technology and innovation. Only Starrett blades offer exclusive benefits for both end users and distributors. And now it's time to introduce you to this world of advantages. Bimetal unique steel, Starrett's world patent, has changed the concept of saw blade manufacturing. The conventional process of bimetal production welds a high-speed steel strip to a carbon steel backing, creating two cutting edges. Starrett's bimetal unique technology diffusion bonds two strips of high-speed steel to the lower sides of the blade's carbon steel backing. Because it's softer than the high-speed steel, the carbon steel backing wears out with friction, forming two new cutting edges at the center of the blade, a total of 4 cutting edges. Starrett blades cut significantly faster than any other blade. They're more resistant and last a lot longer. So efficiency is guaranteed. Before this, each jigsaw machine brand required a specific blade. Now, this problem for end users and distributors is over. Starrett's worldwide patented unified shank blades can be used with virtually all of the principal jigsaw machine brands on the market, which makes these blades a lot easier for end users to use. Both distributors and retailers will benefit from the substantial reduction in inventory investments. Starrett's jigsaw blade line is perfect for those who demand maximum efficiency. They offer 21 blade models for all cutting needs. Because they're multifunctional, they can cut all kinds of material. And all of this is provided with Starrett's standard of excellence, which is already world-renowned. The jigsaw machine solutions you've just witnessed are the result of continuous research, aimed at total satisfaction for those who use and sell our products. This is Starrett's commitment: precision, quality, and innovation.